Hi, in this video I'm looking at this question here where we've got a bank offering 9% simple interest, and at the end of 4 years in this investment we earned $215, and we've been asked to determine the principal invested. So we want to find out that if we got $215 over the period of the investment, how much did we put in to begin with? So let's have a look-see. We've been asked to do simple interest. It's a simple interest investment. So let's have a look at our simple interest rule. So our simple interest is our principal times our rate times our time. But in this case, we've been given that simple interest and we've been asked to work out the principal. So that means that I want to get the principal here on its own, which means that I want to get rid of this R and T from this side. So I want to have a look here, and I've got to multiply. The opposite of multiply is divide. So I would divide everything by R and T, which gives me my rule of simple interest divided by R times T. So that would be my rule for my principal, is my simple interest divide my rate times my time. So let's have a look at filling this in. I've got my simple interest here of $215. So my simple interest is $215. Next in my formula I've got rate. My rate over here is 9%, but my rate always needs to be a decimal, so I'm going to divide that by 100, and that's going to give me a rate of 0.09. And lastly, we need the time for the investment. My time is 4 years, and that's already in years, and that's what we want, so we'll leave it like that. So now let's go and put that information into our rule. So our principal is going to be our simple interest of $215, divide our rate of 0.09, multiplied by our time of 4 years. Put that into our calculator, and we find out that our principal for this investment, how much we initially invested, was $597.22. So there we have it. If we're asked to find the principal invested, then we want to divide by our rate and time from our simple interest, find out our values, make sure our rate is a decimal and our time is in years, put it into our rule, and we have our answer.